Dear students, in previous class we have studied the particle in one-dimensional box or particle in a box. For that we obtained the expression for eigenvalues and eigenfunction. Expression for eigenvalue is En is equal to n square s square divided by 8ml square, and eigenfunction sin is equal to square root of 2 by l sin n phi x divided by l. So these are the two expressions we have got for particle in one dimensional box. Expression for that is eigenvalue, that is En is equal to n square s square by 8ml square. Eigenfunction sin is equal to square root of 2 by l sin n pi x by l. Now this is the probability of the particle in a given state of energy and it will be located within any element dx of one dimensional box. What is the wave function expression? It is the probability of the particle in a given state of energy will be located within any element dx of one dimensional box. Now normalized wave functions we can draw here psi 1, psi 2, psi 3. Now psi 1 is in one state, psi 2 is normalized wave function in other state, psi 3. So like this we can write the normalized wave function. Probability densities are psi 1 bracket space, psi 2 bracket space and psi 3 bracket space. So these are the probability densities. Probability densities psi 1 square, psi 2 square, psi 3 square. Now these are the we can plot the here psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 first of all, then psi 1 square, psi 2 square, psi 3 square. You can plot here, okay, in the figure. Now to plot them, see the nature of that figure or how that figure will be there. Now this is the how the nature of figure n is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the first state. Actually this is first state, n is equal to 1, and this is second state. Second state n is equal to 2, and actually it should be near to this figure. N is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. We get like this. Like this, n is equal to 3. So like these wave functions can write eigenvalue psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 for n is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that this is for particle in the box of length L. Now similarly, probability densities psi 1 square, psi 2 square, psi 3 square. Plot. You draw. Then you can get here for x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. L. We get psi 1 square here. Otherwise, it will be same for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 2, it is always positive. N is equal to 2. For n is equal to 3 also, it is always positive. like this, n is equal to 3. So these are the for psi 1, psi 2, psi 3. Psi 1, psi 2, psi 3. It is square. Psi 1 probability density square. Square. So like this we can draw the figure. So that notice here that is a positive negative psi 1, psi 2, psi 3. It is always positive. Psi square, psi 2 square, psi 3 square. They are always positive. So this is for one dimensional box. One dimensional box. Now let us study for three dimensional box. Particle in a particle in a three-dimensional box. Three-dimensional box. Now here consider three particle. Now we are first part we have last part in one dimension. It is three-dimensional box. Now free particle confined to move in a fixed region of space. Now here particle of mass m is free to move in a space. We assume two rectangular box with lengths of the edges A, B, C, A, B and C. Volume of the box is A into B into C. The sides are parallel to coordinate axis x, y and z. The sides are parallel to coordinate axis x, y and z. A three-dimensional Schrodinger equation. Now I write del square phi plus 8 phi square m divided by h square e minus b psi is equal to 0. This is three-dimensional Schrodinger wave equation. Since the potential energy of the box inside the box is 0, potential energy of particle inside the box is 0. V is equal to 0. So therefore del square psi plus 8 phi square m divided by h square e psi is equal to 0. This is equation 2. And I write del square psi plus 8 phi square m divided by h square p square divided by 2m psi. Why? Because energy value is equal to p square by 2m. We can write energy of the expression for energy, or we can write this expression as del square psi. Now here 2 4 the m cancel. This expression 4 pi square p square divided by x square psi is equal to 0. That is the expression for Schrodinger equation. If p is equal to p square by 2 to take. Then in this equation psi is function of three variables x, y, z. Psi is function of three variables x, y and z. So therefore solving this equation 3, suppose that this is equation 3, not 3, sorry, here. Solving this equation 3, solving the equation 3. we get how do we get psi x is equal to ax sin px by h cross or h the same plus bx cos px by h x. So this is the expression solution of the equation for x, variable x, for variable x. Similarly for variable y, ay sin py by h, by cos py divided by h y. Then psi z az sin pz by h plus bz cos pz divided by h z. So these are the equations for fourth equation. So applying boundary conditions now. Applying the boundary conditions again as in the previous one dimensional case. Apply the boundary conditions here. Apply the boundary conditions. Boundary conditions we can get here. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to x is equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to b, z is equal to 0, z is equal to b, z is equal to c. Correct? So apply these boundary conditions and what is x, psi, y subject and psi x, psi y, psi z is equal to 0. We get equation 4. In equation 4 we get directly write vx, vy, vz is equal to 0. So the complete wave function is then given by the complete wave function is then given by in that case psi is equal to psi x, psi y, psi z, multiplying this all this together, ax sin n pi x by nx pi x by a, ay sin n y pi y by b, az sin nz pi z by b, c. So these are the complete equation. Equation 5 is 3, 4th is here, 5th here. So this is the equation, complete wave function or equation. Nx, ny and z are integers here. Now particle exists inside the box. The probability of the finding particle inside the box is 1. The particle exists inside the box of space. The probability is 0 to A, 0 to B, 0 to C, and psi square dx, dy, dz. 1. So this is 6th. Substituting this in the equation 5. This is equation 5. Now substitute this in the equation 5. We will get, and solving we get. We will go to direct steps here. Root 2 by a, ay, root 2 by b, and az, root 2 by c. So this is the directly we get here ax, ay, az. So psi is equal to, therefore that is the expression for psi ax, ay, az substituted in the equation 5, and we write root 2 by a sin n phi x, nx phi x by a, and root 2 by b sin ny phi y by b, root 2 by c sin nz phi z by c. So this is the expression 7. So that psi at here, psi at nx comma ny nz is equal to 2 root by abc square root here, 2 root by square root of abc, and remaining terms are same, that is sin multiplying we get here this root 2 by a, root 2 by b, root 2 by c, we get 2 root by square root of abc. So it is same, sin nx phi x by a, sin ny phi y b divided by b, sin nz phi z by c. So this is the equation 7. Like this we have got wave function and energy function nx, e, nx, and y, and b. Energy function E, nx suffix here, ny, nz are equal to x square by 8m nx square by a square ny square by b square nz square by c square. This is equation 8. Or if nx, ny, nz is equal to 1, if nx is equal to ny is equal to nz is equal to 1, then write again psi eigen function psi 1 1 1 1. Okay, how to write 2 root 2 by abc square root no nx and y. So remaining things are same. Substitute here nx and y is equal to 1. So sin phi x by a, sin phi y by b, sin phi z divided by c. So this is the expression we have got as equation 9. Equation 9. So 0 point energy, ground state energy is, what is 0 point energy? It is ground state. Ground state energy. So therefore E111, E111. So this is E1111 is equal to S square divided by atm 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square. Ground state energy equation 10. Now for next higher state, this is ground state. Ground state energy. Next higher state is E. There are three sets of quantum number. There are three sets of quantum number. Next higher state. This is ground state. E111. Next higher state. Three sets of quantum numbers. One is 211. 121 or 112. 112. So these are the three sets of quantum number. You can have substitute here nx, ny, nz these values, and again you can get different values of energy. First excited state, the energy corresponding to first excited state is 211, right? One expression will write h square by 2m. Substitute here 211a. Nx is equal to 2, ny is equal to 1, nz is equal to 1. 211, that is 4 divided by a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square. This is 1 square. Then E121 is equal to a square divided by 8m. Now 1 upon a square plus 4 upon b square plus 1 upon c square. Now E112, it is a square by 8m, 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 4 upon c square. So these are all the three sets of quantum numbers we got here for single value of energy. This is 0 point energy. Three sets of quantum. So therefore we see that for single value of energy there are three different quantum states. For single value of energy. So therefore this is called, this having different sets of quantum numbers, this property is called as degeneracy. This is called as degeneracy. This property of energy is degeneracy. This property of energy is called as degeneracy. So this is about the three-dimensional case. See, particle in three-dimensional box we have studied. In one-dimensional box we have studied. And we come to know at least idea about the wave function in energy, eigenvalues and eigenenergy. So the significance of eigenvalue, eigenenergy, I told you that they will also certainly use the idea about the steady state equation where that proper value will get proper value or proper function will get about that particle. So this is about the particle in one-dimensional box, three-dimensional box. Now I left in quantum mechanics only one last topic called as harmonic oscillator. That I will take in the next class. Okay, just read it up to this point. We'll send you notes also. We'll send you notes on harmonic oscillator also, and then you read it, get it confirmed, and then we'll go to next